In this video, I want to talk about how you can go back to your last watched channel inside of YouTube TV. I'll show you how you can do it on your phone, on your smart TV, as well as on your computer. So there are three different methods and I want to talk about all of them. So the first one is you can use the built-in mini guide. So if you're using on the live TV, what you can do is you can press the down arrow on your remote or you can swipe down on your phone and this should open up a mini guide. Inside of there, the last thing that you watch will most likely be on the left and you can just select it to go back to that. Now the method number two is you can use the back or the left arrow on if you have that on your remote. So once you've done that, you should be able to scroll through the TV guide and usually in there it will show you what you recently watched as the first thing. So if you don't see that as the first thing, you can just look through it and you should be able to find it in there. Now the method number three is if you use the most watched or resume watching, which is most likely on your home or inside of the library. In there you should be able to easily find what you were watching before, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.